I do agree with the motion because city life is much more comfortable. They are much more comfortable. There are more opportunities for people to develop in their lives to make money. And also children who live in the city have access to good education because there are better schools in the town than in the village. School in the town is better than village. Life because in a town we meet people, different kinds of people, mingle with them and learn anything too from them and learn anything. As a result, our view of life changed as we began to see things in a different life. Medical care in rural areas simply cannot compete with the option available in the city. Most people living in a remote region travel dozens of miles to visit a doctor. And specialist visits could become an overnight to treat. Living in a big city give you the opportunity to receive the highest caliber of medical care without traveling hours from your home. More than dozen hospitals in the Chicago areas are nationally ranked for the quality of their medical care and superstar. In a city, there are many cricket stadiums. The city people get chance to make many kind of sports match. Is there any stadium in your village? In a city, there are many restaurants. There are many people who live in a city. They are enjoy the delicious food there. There are many also cinema hall who went to watch movie. They are gone there, and city provide a wide area of entertainment option for any night of the week. City people very smart and cultured. Village people are cultured. In city, their road is big because there is vehicles. Is very big, and man who lives in a city is lucky because he get more and better opportunity to earn something. City people maintain the time because they are not lazy. They work hard. City people get chance to any kind of function freely. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Dhaka is the city. In a city there are many kinds of shopping malls like Vasundhara. In a big city there are maintained traffic rules. In a city the road in a two-way. All things are complete in a city.